Hello, my name's Daniel Cielo. I'm a service manager over here at Pros Hyundai, and I'd like to take a couple moments to talk to you about our electronic multi-point inspection. Every time you come into our store, we will go ahead and fill out one of these fantastic complimentary multi-point inspections. We're going to be going over 32 points on the vehicle. Most importantly, we're going to be taking a look at measurements on the tires, on the brakes. We're going to look at your air filter, cabin filter, fluids, and so much more. So this is one of those things that you can go over to other places. They might offer it to you $34, $40, but here, every time you come in, it's complimentary, no cost for you. Just something we like to do to our guests so we can make sure that you feel safe on the road and every time you're driving your vehicle. So if you do have any questions, feel free to give me a call, give my supporting cast a call at 425-226-1275. Thank you.